Hello, I am CA Dhananjay Okhale. This video tutorial is on how to import Finacle account statement report into Excel. But this time I'll be using a free tool called Notepad++ and demonstrating some advanced techniques like pattern based filtration and columnar selection. So let's see how to do it. So basic requirement is that you need to install a software called Notepad++. So just go to Google, type Notepad++, download the software and install it. So after you install, if you right click any file, you will find this option called edit with Notepad++. So let us edit this file using Notepad++. So I'll right click and edit it with Notepad++. Let us sanitize our data. So I want to filter out all the rows which start with date. So these are basically our transaction row. So we are not interested in this transaction information rows or the page headers or page footers. So we will be sanitizing our this data using a technique of called regular expression, which is called pattern based extraction. So let me show you. So let us select any random transaction row, copy it, Control C, and go to the browser, and we will open a website called regexar.com, regular expression for testing. Okay, and I will delete this data and paste our sample row. Okay, for pattern validation, and I will even delete this pattern, and we will form a new pattern. So let us make a pattern for recognizing transaction row. So our row should start with. So start with means raised to the power symbol. Now date. So slash d stands for any number between 0 to 9. So two numbers, two digits, dash, again two digits, dash, four digits, then one space. So slash s stands for a single space, and after that followed by any characters, that means dot plus. Okay, so as you can see, this pattern, our row got selected. So this is the pattern for extracting the transaction row. So let us copy this pattern, Control C, switch back to Notepad, select or place your cursor anywhere on the first row, go to search, then go to this select mark, okay, and select regular expression, okay, and paste your pattern, and click this bookmark line option, okay, and let us mark all this. Let us press close. So as you can see, all the transaction rows are bookmarked. Now let us even bookmark this header row. So I'll click here and even bookmark this. Now I will again go to search, go to bookmarks, and I will copy all the bookmarked lines. Okay. Then let us create a new file and paste all those lines here. Okay. Paste all those lines here. So you can see uh, the filtered data. Okay. Now you have two options. Copy paste the complete data into Excel and using text to column fixed width import split the columns. Now the second option is columnar select, which is available specially in Notepad++. So let us see how it works. Press Ctrl and delete this last row and again press Ctrl Home. Now press and hold Alt plus Shift key and page down, up, down. Okay. So can you notice a very big cursor? Now again press Alt plus Shift and select like this. Copy and I will paste it. Okay, you can cut paste here. So I will repeat this same thing for all the columns. Alt plus Shift, page down, up key, down key, and then select. and you can exclude the check number column. Now amount column, same thing. Now you can even do from select right from right to left. So Alt plus Shift, and you can select like this also. Just ensure that everything is selected. Don't worry about the column headings. Okay, you can again retype it and balance. Copy and paste it. Okay, we'll retype these headings. This is narration, withdrawal, deposit, and balance. Now let us format all these columns to comma formatting. Then make the header row bold. Then let us freeze the top row and apply filter so that you can very easily analyze the data. So if you like this technique, please share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also keep on revisiting this YouTube channel for more such videos.